Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you all guys will be definitely fit and fine. And I Yashoda welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Dehati Madam. Friends, first of all, I want to tell you one thing that I have some problems in my mouth and please forgive me if I am making some mistakes in this video. I wanna just show you what is the problem. You can see this. I have this problem, but still I'm making this video because I just want to make videos. I just want to practice my English speaking. Okay, in today's video we are going to talk about mistakes. Friends, we make so much mistakes while speaking English, or when we are in conversation with someone. And friends, I think this is only because of making mistakes. Many of people feel hesitation to speak to someone or speaking in English. Why are people taking these simple mistakes as a huge problem? I don't know, but in this video we are going to talk about how to learn something from mistakes. So without any further ado, let's get dive into the video. Friends, mistakes have the power to make you afraid to use your English. Mistakes can also make you feel humiliated. You feel insulted if someone corrects you. Okay, suppose that if you are having conversation with others and you make some mistakes, and if other person corrects you, then you feel, oh, I'm making mistakes, it's not right. Friends, we mistakes have these kind of powers only when we allow them to have such kind of power. If we take mistakes as a negative, then it affects our mind, it affects our personality also. And if we don't allow them to have such kind of negativity, and if you take mistakes as a positive manner, then it helps us too much. Friends, the goal of learning or speaking English is only communication. It's English is only a medium of conversation, like a Hindi language, like Hindi, Bihari, Gujarati. Just English is just like a language. Okay, and we always use this language to transfer or to convey our message to others. And if we are making mistakes, then it's okay. Even the actors or the native speakers also make mistakes, but there's one thing that they have accent and they speak fluently. That's why someone others ignore them. So friends, always try to convey your message to others person, and instead of using fascinating words, try to use simple words. If there is a word and its meaning not clear, then try to translate it in a other way. Okay, and now I'm going to tell you 7 ways to learn something your mistakes. And always take mistakes in a positive manner. Always take mistakes as a positive. Don't make it a negative feeling. Okay, my first point is stop getting embarrassed. Yes friends, this is the main problem. Every person is suffering from this, and it's only because of our ego. Don't feel embarrassed. Okay, now my second point is talk to yourself. If you are in a conversation and you made mistakes, then it's okay. And then try to think, try to talk to yourself what kind of mistakes you made, and try to correct it. Try to speak again and again that line or that word, that pronunciation, and correct it, and everything is will be okay. Okay, friends. My third point is don't compare yourself to others. Yes, friends. If you are in a conversation with someone and the other person speaks fluent English, he doesn't make any mistakes, and there is a thing that in our mind, there is a thought that is always in our mind that, yeah, he's speaking so much fluent English and I'm making so much mistakes. How can I communicate with others? How can I communicate with this person? If you are thinking this, that then you are wrong. Then you're definitely wrong. Because have you ever thought how much time the other person give it to learn that language? And you are, if you are a beginner and you are just thinking about speaking fluent English, then you are wrong. It takes us time. Okay, friends. So if you are a beginner, then speak at your level. How much words do you know? You only have to, your focus must be only to communicate with other person, and never compare yourself to others, because every person have different kind of abilities or personalities. Okay. My fourth point is always learn something from your mistakes. Yes, friends. Always always learn something from your mistakes. If we are making mistakes, then it's okay, but try to correct it. If you are if you are making mistakes, if you make mistakes, okay, if we make mistakes in a conversation, and suppose that other person ignore it, and what you have done, at least you have to try to correct it. Okay. Try to correct it. If you understand your mistakes, then try to correct it. Okay. Now my next point is your focus must be only on communication. Always focus on your convey your message to others. My fifth point is if you are in a conversation and you just using fascinating words, big sentences, and speak in a very speak, and you are just using very hi-fi words, advanced level English, and if you are a beginner, then other person will definitely know that you are just trying to, but you're just pretending that you are what level of your English is. Okay. So try to speak that kind of English that you can easily speak. Okay. Your focus must be only on to convey your message. Try to keep it slow and simple. My sixth point is always learn something step by step. Yes, friends. Always learn something step by step. If we are at a beginner level and we just thinking about, oh my god, I just want to learn English, I just want to speak English in just a 3 months, 4 months, then it's never going to be happen. It will never going to be happen. It's a process. You know why? When all of us, why we are studying in first grade, then second grade, then third grade, then fourth grade? Only because of we are learning any kind of language, any kind of subject, only just by step. And the first step of learning language is words. When we are when we were small, when we were in our school time, then first we learn ABCD, and after that we learned making small words like cat, bat. Then again we use helping verb, we learned helping verbs, then main verbs, then noun, adjective, this kind of. And in the same manner we also have to learn, we also we should learn any kind of language only step by step. Okay, friends. And my last point is trust in yourself. Believe in yourself. Always take, you know, mistakes always take us one step closer to our goal. Because when we make mistakes and we learn from mistakes, we just know about the mistake and we learn, we correct it, we correct the mistake, and we learn something from mistakes, then you know what happened, we just go one step closer to our goal of fluent English speaking, and that's what we want, that's what you want. Yes, and in this process we just learn something from mistakes. You will learn something from your mistakes only by practicing, only by practicing, only by speaking. Okay, so and if you are just thinking about mistakes, making mistakes, and you just ignoring, or you don't take the opportunity of speaking to someone, and you just feel shy, embarrassed, then, and I think, then you are killing this opportunity of speaking English fluently. So never let mistakes, so never take mistakes as a big disaster. Take it as a learning process. It's a learning process. And I hope, friends, all of you are understand that what I'm saying. And I hope this video must be helpful for you. And from now, from now, you will never going to be feel embarrassed of making mistakes, and your focus must be only on to learning English, speaking English. Okay, friends. So I think it's enough for today, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And I think then you are killing this opportunity of speaking English fluently. So never let mistakes, so never take mistakes as a big disaster. Take it as a learning process. It's a learning process. And I hope, friends, all of you are understand that what I'm saying. And I hope this video must be helpful for you. And from now, you will never going to be feel embarrassed of making mistakes, and your focus must be only on to learning English, speaking English. Okay, friends. So I think it's enough for today, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.